In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your Steam profile public. This is a crucial step if you want to use third-party stat tracking websites, showcase your inventory to friends, or simply allow the community to see your gaming achievements and play history. Sometimes Steam defaults these settings to private for security, but making it public is very easy and only takes a few moments of your time. If you find this video helpful today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get right into the steps to get your profile updated for 2026. First, you will need to open the Steam application on your computer. Once it is loaded up and you are logged into your account, look at the very top of the screen where your profile name is displayed. Click on your profile name to open the drop-down menu, and from there, select the option that says View My Profile. This will take you to your personal landing page where all your badges, games, and showcases live. Once you are on your profile page, look over to the right-hand side. You should see a prominent button that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click that button now. This will open up your account customization settings, but we aren't looking at the General tab today. On the left-hand sidebar menu, you will see a list of different categories, including General, Avatar, and Profile Background. We are looking for the one labeled Privacy Settings. Click on Privacy Settings to reveal the specific visibility controls for your account. This is where the magic happens. Under the section titled My Profile, you will see a drop-down menu that likely says Private or Friends Only. To make your profile visible to everyone on the internet and the Steam community, simply click that drop-down and set My Profile to Public. As soon as you select Public, Steam will automatically save your changes. You might also want to look below that at your game details, friends list, and inventory settings. If you want people to see what games you own or what items you have, make sure those are also set to public or follow the visibility of your main profile. It is important to remember that you can change these settings back at any time if you decide you want more privacy later on. By setting your main profile to public, you enable a lot of social features and allow external tools to verify your account status. Your profile is now officially public and ready for the world to see. If this guide helped you out today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.